Hi everybody, it's Sue the Nature Nurse, and I hope that the weather is better where you are, where it's very drizzly. It's going to be a complete washout, it looks like, here in New York for the Memorial Day weekend, but I'm not going to complain because we need the rain. More so down south. In the southeast, there's a severe drought, so as they say, there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate dress. So in that vein of thought, I bundled up and went to my local farmers market up here, and I was really thrilled to find that they had organic rhubarb plants, excuse me. And so I got a couple of these, and I'm going to add them to my giant cauldron pot here, which is like a big salad bowl, and I'll give you a close-up of that. I also I should give a shout out to these are from Fresh Meadow Organic Farm in Middletown, New York. So if you're in New York and you want some, they're going to have more next week. And then over at that was at the Chappaqua Farmers Market, and at the Pleasantville Farmers Market, they already had rhubarb grown in stalks, and it was a line. They're very popular. They're great to make strawberry rhubarb if you love the combination of tangy and sweet. You'll notice I cut the leaves off the top, which is important. You don't want to eat the leaves. The leaves can be toxic. But the bottom, the stalks, are really tangy and make great jams. And I'm going to make like a puree kind of thing that I'm going to put on yogurt. And then also, obviously, strawberry rhubarb, pastries, pies, all that. So take a look at my cauldron here. So this is one of our cauldron pots, and I planted cucumbers and tomatoes all around the edges. I'm going to get some bamboo poles and make a teepee like I did down south. I'm going to plant those strawberry rhubarb plants right in the center along with this dill. I won't put the mint in the pot because it'll spread like crazy, but this is another way. If you have some kind of great container, just go ahead and plant it up and make it a big salad bowl, a living salad bowl. And of course, when you go to the farmer's market, there's always temptation. So I ended up picking up this gorgeous strawberry rhubarb tart from one of the bakers there. And you can see I've got my organic strawberries ready to go. I had to get those from the store because they're not ready yet here in New York. But looks like a delicious weekend anyway, despite the rain. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And let us know what you're growing where you are. Take care.